Hello friends, welcome all to my channel Advanced VLSI Concepts. So today we are going to discuss checking constraints for sign off. Checking constraint for silicon sign off, RTL designer check constraint input are correct. So how they like check using the abstract definition, which are much easier to understand and compare with the spec than the SDC. So it will increase the chance of finding issues such as incorrect clock frequency, incorrect clock divide ratio, incorrect clock relationship. So previously, these things RTL designer check manually. Now there is a tool, time vision, which basically check these kinds of checks constant, checks the application of the SDC constraint, find the fundamental issue with the design, find fundamental issue with the constraint, and it covers the 193 rules used for the sign off. So which kinds of rules are like clocks, lint, interclock relationship, IO coverage, these kinds of things this tool will cover. As shown in figure, when we are giving the check timing for such kind of case, so where everything is clocked, so it will affect functional clock frequency will be incorrect, which will affect the bad for power and area, and will also calculate the wrong CTS balancing points, and timing will be also incorrect. So the solution for this is we have to mention the generated clock at the point of divide. We also have to mention the case analysis at that particular cases.
Let's take another example where clock defined and there having a multiple clock path in the design. So in this case, setup and hold checks passing through this mux constant are not defined. So in this case, non-realistic skew will be reported. Now let's discuss our final set case analysis constant, how we will define these kinds of cases. So as you can see in the figure, there is a two kind of clock A and clock B passing through a mux. So not define any cases, then it will not reach to clock B. So we have to mention like is it physical exclusive or logical exclusive. As you know, like physical exclusive when two clocks are derived from the two different clock sources and never exist simultaneously. So in this case it will be known as the physical exclusive. And logical exclusive is like when the two clocks are derived from the same clock source, and but at a time one will be used. So so these are the basic definition of the physical and logical exclusive, and you can correlate with this figure also mentioned in the diagram.